Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1978 Pontiac Trans Am SE. Comprehensive restoration, body off. Super nice car, upgraded with the 455 now. Super nice car. Red oxide floors on it. Just a drop dead gorgeous car. Nice paint. www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Pick up the phone. My name is Mark. Be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Just amazing car. Magnaflow stainless steel exhaust. Just nicely done. If you'd like to fly in, check it out in person. St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same airport. More than happy to pick you up, just forward us your flight itinerary, take it out for a ride, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. We have financing, great rates, great terms. You know, credit's king, so usually 10% down does the trick. But super nice car. Paint's nice. We're going to take this one for a ride. Call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. You can ask for Mark. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions you got, any details that you need about the vehicle. And we've got photo documentation. The car is completely disassembled. Just a beautiful car. Nice paint. Underneath is just spectacular. The red oxide floors, stainless steel, Magnaflow exhaust.